Good morning. Happy Saturday. Nancy Niccolo with Huff Insurance with your Saturday morning insurance tip. Today we're going to be talking about enhanced uninsured motorist coverage. You soon will be getting notices in the mail from your auto insurance carrier about this new coverage and the availability and whether or not you wish to elect to have the coverage or not. Let me explain. The Maryland legislature this year passed a bill for enhanced uninsured motorist coverage. In other states, it's referred to as stacking, but Maryland uses its own unique term. So here's what it means to you, the auto insurance customer. First of all, you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage in the state of Maryland on your policy. Generally, most companies will write it equal to your liability limits. However, you can elect to purchase less coverage. We never ever recommend that you do. But here is how it works. Let's say that your uninsured motorist coverage is $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident, and $100,000 property damage. You are hit by a driver who has the state minimum liability limits of $30,000 per person, $60,000 per accident, and $15,000 property damage. So under the current law, the way that it stands today, prior to July 1st, is that you would be eligible to collect up to $30,000 of liability coverage from the person that hit you per person. And then if your injuries were greater than that, you would be eligible up to a total of $100,000. That means $30,000 from the other person and up to $70,000 for your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. The new way that the law is as of July 1st, provided that you pick the enhanced uninsured motorist coverage, you would then be eligible to still receive the $30,000 from the person that hit you, but then you could receive up to an additional $100,000 from your own uninsured motorist coverage. So basically, with the enhanced coverage, in this particular example, you'd be entitled to an additional $30,000 of coverage. The reason that uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage is important is because that is the protection for you and your family in the event that someone either does not have any coverage or is carrying lower liability limits than yourself. If the example was that the person that hit you had $100,000 of liability coverage and you had $100,000 uninsured motorist coverage, you would, under the current law prior to July 1st, you would not be eligible to collect under your policy because they weren't underinsured. They had the same limit of coverage as you did. However, with the enhanced uninsured motorist coverage, if you choose it, then you would still be eligible for up to an additional $100,000 of uninsured motorist coverage provided by your policy. This most likely is going to result in, of course, increased premiums and increased cost to you, the customer, for electing the enhanced coverage. However, it is also providing a great benefit to you and your family. So if you need anything else or have any additional questions about this coverage, the notices that you're going to be receiving with your upcoming renewals after July 1st, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at Huff Insurance. We'd be happy to answer them for you and be able to help you with your insurance protection needs. Thank you.